For the next 2 months, the crews will be working non-stop, putting their lives on the line in the most grueling conditions imaginable, trying to fill their boats with over $250,000 worth of fish. But first, they must make the 1,200-mile journey to the fishing grounds, a 5-day steam under the best of conditions. On the Seahawk, pressure is already on. For the last 6 months, she's been in dry dock. The crew worked frantically to restore her in time for the season.
We don't know exactly what we're getting ourselves into by leaving the dock with the Seahawk. Unfortunately, the last captain passed away aboard the boat. The boat's been sitting out of water for at least 6 months, and when that happens, things on a boat start to fall into a state of disrepair. A lot of work's been done in the last week trying to get this boat, up to snuff. Has it been enough? I don't know. We will soon find out.
A trip already fraught with danger is now even riskier for the Seahawk crew as they head for deadly waters in a completely untested boat. 600 miles to the northeast, the Big Eye has arrived at the old fishing port of Trepassey, Newfoundland to pick up supplies.
My name is Chalmers. I'm captain of the Big Eye. We're not here to make friends. We're in it for us. We don't care. We'll work against you. We're going to get ours.
Chompers has a reputation throughout the fleet as a desperate man willing to go to any lengths to catch fish. This attitude hasn't won him any friends.
The guy on the Big Eye has a reputation of being a little bit more cutthroat, a little bit more underhanded and sneaky.
Chalmers, he's pretty aggressive too. He knows what's going on. He likes to get in on it.
Sometimes his aggression pushes the envelope a little bit too far.
Meeting the boat in Trepassey is Chomper's fiancée, Anna.
So did you miss me or what?
Yeah.
He may be the captain, but she owns the boat.
We first met when Chris used to work for my dad. He had a long line boat. Ever since I was little, he just caught my eye.
We've been together for 4 years now. We've been pretty happy. 6 years, excuse me. Each trip cost me $25,000 just to go fishing. So in a real short period of time of me going backwards for a month, I'll be out of business. I won't be able to go back fishing.
Really, one trip would break us.
The bank don't care about your sad